how to derive. So we proved that Mahabharata is a history. Then we have to prove in which year that Mahabharata war was fought. That also important. No. Then only we can prove. So what are all the scientific fields through which we can prove the Mahabharata date? One is literature. Aryabhatti, M. Vriddhagarga, Brihat Samhita, Purana, Itikasa. That I will tell later. And excavations. Already I have dealt. Dwaraka, Kurukshetra, Hastinapura, Sanoli, etc. And inscriptions. The most important thing is inscription. I have found a total of 601 inscriptions at least to prove Kali Yuga began in 3101 BCE. So Mahabharata is just a few decades before that. And another thing is chronology. The chronology of various kingdoms and Indian eras and almanacs and other things. Through that we can prove. And fifth part is astronomy. So only astronomy is only a fifth pillar, not the sole pillar. So astronomy findings should corroborate with the literature, archaeology, inscriptions and chronology. It cannot give a separate date. It should be coherent, harmonious with their date. In astronomy, two types of derivations. One is using astronomical statistics, data, trigonometric mathematical calculations that were described in the ancient astronomical texts of our nation. So far, I am the only person using this method. All other using various software programs.